Now this is what excites me. I'm going to introduce you to the floral contestants, and what we have here is the beautiful oriental lily. So I've got lily at number 3 there. The gorgeous happy sunflower always makes me smile every time I look at it. Don't you, darling? Yes, you do. The bachelor button, which we've got here. Ming fern, bit of texture in with the foliage. And the main foliage that I'm using today is my favourite, the two-faced leaf. I've met a few people like that in my lifetime. So what I mean by two-faced leaf is that it's gold on one side and green on the other, and we'll be adding a bit of leaf shine to that as well in this floral workshop. So the first thing that you do when you are creating a floral display is that you need to create the skeleton. And what is the skeleton? Well, it's using your greenery or foliage, if you want to call it. You need to get your shape right, and by doing that, your flowers then, thread through the shape very, very easily.